Hi, it's Kerry. I've added some new horses to my collection. The Black Forest Stallion. It was originally bred for work in agriculture and forestry. It's now used in harness and more often as a riding horse. The Black Forest Mare. These horses are always chestnut in colour with a flaxen mane and tail. No other colour may be registered. This species is an endangered German breed of light draft horse from the Black Forest of southern Germany. The Black Forest foal. Horses in the subspecies cavallos are domesticated, although some domesticated populations live in the wild as feral horses. Feral populations of horses are not true wild horses, as this term is used to describe horses that have never been domesticated. The Knabstrupper stallion. This breed originated from Denmark in 1812. The Knabstrupper mare. The Appaloosa and the Knabstrupper share the same colour gene called the leopard complex. This causes the spotted coat patterns. The Knabstrupper foal. This one's going to be suckling from its mother, so its head is bent down. The horse's anatomy enables them to make use of speed to escape predators, as they have a well-developed sense of balance and a strong fight or flight response. Next I have 3 Icelandic horses. Although the horses are small, at times pony-sized, most registries for the Icelandic refer to it as a horse. The Icelandic horse was developed from ponies taken to Iceland by Norse settlers in the 9th and 10th centuries. The horses are long-lived and hardy. This is as a result of their isolation from other horses and strict quarantine rules. Horses are able to sleep both standing up and lying down, with younger horses tending to sleep more than the adults. I visited Iceland recently, and these are some of the beautiful Icelandic horses I saw. The Arabian Stallion. This breed of horse originated on the Arabian Peninsula. With a distinctive head shape and high tail carriage, the Arabian is one of the most easily recognisable horse breeds in the world. The Arabian Mare. This breed is also one of the oldest breeds, with archaeological evidence of the horses in the Middle East that resemble modern Arabians dating back 4,500 years. The Arabian Foal. This breed is one of the top 10 most popular horse breeds in the world. I can see why. There are more than 300 breeds of horses in the world today, developed for many different uses. The Pinto Stallion. A Pinto horse has a coat colour that consists of large patches of white and any other colour. Pinto is the Spanish word for painted, dappled or spotted. The Camargue Stallion. This horse is an ancient breed of horse indigenous to the Camargue area in southern France. Camargue horses are always grey. The Camargue foal. They are born with a hair coat that is black or dark brown in colour, but as they grow to adulthood, Their hair coat becomes even more intermingled with white hairs until it is completely white. The Tennessee Walker Stallion. It is a breed of gaited horse known for its unique 4-beat running walk and flashy movement. The horse is one of 2 extant subspecies of Equus ferus. It is an odd-toed ungulate mammal belonging to the taxonomic family Equidae. The horse has evolved over the past 45 to 55 million years from a small multi-toed creature into the large single-toed animal of today. Humans began domesticating horses around 4000 BC. Subscribe and like if you like horses. Thank you for watching my video. Please share with your friends. See you again soon.